King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring king 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 got the hammer king I ain't got the chain sticks put it in my punches to pop pop pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, and welcome back to another video. So as you guys know, it is spooky season. It is almost Spooktober, so I had to drop a marble lip gloss because that is what you guys wanted. I had put a poll on my Instagram story asking what type of Halloween themed gloss you wanted this year, and the most votes were for marble. So that is what we're going to be making in today's video. Halloween, of course we gotta have a Halloween scented lip gloss, so we're gonna go with this pumpkin spice from Get Sucker and spice this gloss up. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys the name of the gloss. I'm actually naming this gloss Twisted Pumpkin, and once you see me fill the tubes, you will see exactly why. Lip gloss, I'm going to be using the colors red, orange, and black because those colors give me Halloween vibes, and of course Twisted Pumpkin. You will see why again. But yes, before you use the pigments, make sure you shake them very, very well because the colors can separate inside of the tube that TKP Trading provides. So always shake the pigment container before you add it to your gloss base for the best results. Add a lot of pigment, but you are free to add as much as you would like. I like to add a lot just because I want the color to show on the lip, and also you can add as much flavoring oil as you like, as much or as little as you like as well. I get that question a lot. You can add as much flavoring oil as you like. I'm not using a lot of gloss base, I am going to go ahead and hand mix all of these inside of these individual plastic bowls. You can get these from the dollar store, so that way you can save your money and get a bang for your buck. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix all of these beautiful colors, and then I will show you what we will do next. is where the twisted part of the title of this gloss comes from. We're going to take our 20 milliliter syringe, and this is the tedious part. So you really just want to go back and forth to each 3 of these glosses. This is going to be a tri-colored marble lip gloss. So that is where I got the twisted pumpkin idea. So you're going to insert your syringe into each bowl and pull a little tiny bit, and you're going to keep doing that as you can see me doing in the video. But that is what we do to get the marble effect. Watch this, y'all. Watch how this comes out. It is so pretty, different, and unique. I see why you guys love the marble glosses so much, because each tube is different and each tube has its own little pattern. And just look at how pretty this is coming out, y'all. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So make sure you get your hands on it, because it is actually dropping today. That's right, today. Y'all are getting the first view at this gloss, and you get to get the first dibs on this gloss as well. So make sure you head over to xoxo.com and get yours before they are sold out, because they will not be restocked. They are only seasonal and available for a limited time only. Those same steps that I told you guys previously about going back and forth from each gloss and pulling a little bit. You want to take those same steps and apply them to the wand tubes as well. And I'm going to show you how the wand tube looks with this tricolor twisted pumpkin gloss as well. once you are finally finished filling all of your beautiful tubes, this should be the amazing outcome. Now, do you guys see where I got the twisted idea from to give this twisted pumpkin? The twisted effect of the marble look and the fact that it's pumpkin scented is where I got the wonderful idea to name it pumpkin, well, twisted pumpkin. So much for watching today's video, and again, you guys are getting the first look at this gloss, so go ahead and grab it before I make the announcement on Instagram at 8 a.m. this morning. Go ahead and grab yours so that you are secure, you secured your checkout, you secured your gloss, and you are set for Halloween. I will see you guys at checkout. Make sure you shop Sexy Lexy Inc, of course, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend about Sexy Lexy Inc, and I'll see you in the next video.
King got the hammer in the king king got the hammer king got the hammer in the ring. Got the hammer in the ring.